In this demonstration, we will be changing the front differential fluid in a 2001 Ford F150. The manufacturer recommends this being done every 30,000 miles or 2 years, whichever comes first. The front differential is located between the two front tires. Taking a closer look at it, there are two big screws with square indentations on them. Those are the two that we're going to look for. Now, as you can see, the one located towards the bottom is the drain, as indicated, and the other one is going to be our fill, which you can tell because that's also indicated right above our plug. Now, you always want to remove the fill plug first because you don't want to take the drain plug out and realize you can't fill it back up. And it's probably beneficial to use a drip pan just below that in case any fluid comes out. Next, we want to remove the drain plug, and if it's in there real tight, you might need to spray some penetrating oil on it. And obviously, when this comes out, all our oil will come out, so we want to have some type of a drip pan below it. Now, although the manufacturer recommends this procedure done every 30,000 miles or 2 years, if you choose a better quality lubricant, such as AMSOIL Severe Gear, which is what I'm going to be using, you can easily get 50,000 miles of severe service or even up to 100,000 miles of normal service out of it. While we're letting that drain, we're going to take a look at our plugs. Our fill plug obviously looks fairly clean, and our drain plug, which is located towards the bottom, has a lot of buildup of metallic particles on it. Now, there's a magnet built into the plug, and any metallic pieces will be attracted to that. So when we drain the fluid, we need to clean it off. Once our plugs are cleaned off, we're ready to move on. Now, as per the specs on AMSOIL's website for this particular vehicle, we need to use Severe Gear 75W90 synthetic lubricant for the front differential. Now, again, using AMSOIL's website to find the capacities for this vehicle, the front differential needs 1.85 quarts, which means I'll have just a little bit of fluid left. So I'm going to estimate and put a little bit of fluid in with my drain plug open. That's going to help maybe flush out just a little bit more of what's left in there. Now, to do this, I'm going to use AMSOIL's pump and connect it to the quart of Severe Gear lubricant and use that to help pump the fluid into my differential. So I'm going to insert my hose into the differential, give it a few pumps. Just to make sure, and you can see there's still a little bit of junk coming through it. Next, we're going to reinstall our drain plug. And tighten it down. Now, we will want to come back and torque this between 15 and 22 foot-pounds. After that, we're going to reinstall our pump tube and pump in 1.8 quarts. Now, to double check that it's full, you should be able to take your pinky and put it right inside, and the fluid level should be just below the opening. Then you can reinstall the fill plug. And you'll want to come back and torque that correctly also. Out of curiosity, I saved a sample of the old fluid and also took a sample of the new fluid. Obviously, you can tell a dramatic difference. The old fluid had a lot of contamination, and the new fluid obviously is clean.